Hi, today we're going to do Good Times, Bad Times by Led Zeppelin. A little easier than you might think. Before I show you that intro lick though, I'm going to show you all the really easy parts. I'm going to start with the chorus, and we're tuned to G, G, D, high G, and that actually works out great for this song. The first chorus is 2, open, 5, 2, open, 5, 4, 2, 7, and then 4. And stay on 4 for 4 beats and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I'll play that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. That's the chorus. Pretty easy. While the solo is going on, you go up to here to the 9th fret and you play an E chord, followed by a D chord, and then an A chord, which is on the 2nd fret. That's 9, 7, and 2nd. So it's like. That's what you play while the solo is going on. That's also quite simple. Now the bridge of the song, that goes up to an F sharp chord, which up here is on the 11th fret for us. You hit that twice on the, we're using the low and middle strings. And then you do a little lick on the next 2 strings, the middle and the high string. Same fret. You go 11, 9, 11. Then you go down here to 4, 2, 4. Okay, so. You do that a bunch of times. Hopefully you're playing along with the record. And then when you go into the chorus, you go up 2 frets higher. They actually change 1 chord in there, but I wouldn't worry about it too much because we can't really get it with our 3 strings. So you just do the same chorus that you did before, but 2 frets higher. So that would be 4, 2, 7. And then 6, 4, 9. Back to the 6. One more time. So that was all really straightforward. You probably already figured it out yourself. Now the lick. The lick is in E, and then it goes to D, so that's 9, and that's 7. Then there's a little run, and then another run. What I want to mention before I show that to you in detail is I'm using my fingers. And you could do it with a pick and your fingers, but what's really important, because we have to play on different frets and we don't want to drag the wrong notes with us, is that your fingers, you got 1 finger for each string. So the first chord's really straightforward. You just play it twice, the E. The D chord on 7 is a bit of an arpeggio. So it's low, middle, first string, middle first, and again. So you're doing that fairly quickly. You can, I'm using my first finger on the middle string, you can move your thumb over. But as you hit each note, you're going to want to sort of let your finger come back and kill it, because you don't want it to sound like a big mess, like a, that isn't too bad, but, right? Okay, that last part of the run is after you've done the arpeggio. Then you go to the open string. Now this note is the same note as you had here on 7, but whenever I can hit an open string, I really like to, because it sort of brings your ear back in tune in case your slide's drifting a little flat or sharp and you haven't noticed. So that would be 0, 4, 7, And this is where you want your finger to come right back down and kill the note, because you're going to go down 1 fret. So you don't want to drag that note with you. See, it would sound terrible. So you want to kill that note. Right? See what I'm doing there? Having killed the note, you can move over here to 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 can be the chord if you want. So play the whole thing slow. So hopefully you can see how important it is to mute with your right hand. That's really the whole secret when you're using what's basically a stick in a box to make it sound musical. It's the muting of the right hand really cleans it up and lets everything stand out. Hope that wasn't too confusing. Have a great day.